Hi, and welcome to another edition of Lee's Thoughts. And today a vendor has sent me a product. This is a free product. This is a paid shoppable video that I'm making just for you so that you can make up your mind on whether you'd like to buy this, if this is the product for you or not. So what do we have here is a PVC repair kit. This will repair, we've got heavy duty patches, we've got light patches for like beach balls and things of that nature, and then we have very heavy patches that you can, there's several colors, and that you can just cut any size patch you might need in the PVC world. A rubber ball. So we are going to pop it. So we're going to take this right here and pop this. Okay, so I just put a hole in it. Yeah, okay, so now it has a hole in it. So what we're going to do is you want to make sure that the surface is clean. It would work for this. So it's already trimmed. So I'm going to take this clear patch. We're going to take this. Oh, and it's got a no leak top, which is very nice. A no destroy top. You know how glues normally they get, once you open them, they'll stay plugged forever. This has a needle in it, which is going to keep it from plugging up. Okay, so I've got my hole right here on top that I have, and so we're going to put a little glue on here in a circle. And then on the patch itself, I'm going to put some glue. So now we need to let that set for a couple of minutes before we put it back together again. And you line this up. What it asks you to do is leave the two surfaces not touching for about 2 minutes. We have waited about two minutes, roughly 2 minutes. So now I'm going to take this patch and put it right over the top of the hole where I put the glue. And we're going to rub that around as much as we can so that it really mates up with the ball. Now in the real world, you're supposed to wait 48 hours for maximum strength. See, that's a little floppy right now. I'm going to take it, and I have a portable pump right here, and I'm going to give it a little air. And there you go. It's all patched. There's absolutely no air coming out of that. It's holding air. Very nice. And it's barely noticeable if you look. So, PVC patch comes with tons of patching material. Who doesn't need this in their camping kit, their picnic kit, just going out and playing with the kids' kit? Go out and get this today.